That's a really important part about treating patients. There you go, home run. I don't know. There you go. Just keep breathing. Let me have you. Okay, let me do it. If you try to help me, it's gonna hurt. Tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. Better. Okay. Okay, keep breathing. Atta girl. There we go. Vertebral subluxation. You can rest your hands on your tummy. Yeah. There we go. Now you should have felt that from your ankle all the way up to your pelvis. Pulled your shoe off even. Atta girl. Down to 57 here this morning. I know that's not cold for a lot of you watching, but it's cold for us Houstonians. All the women are wearing their winter coats in this morning.
With some modalities after we're done here.
Awesome.
Good release, huh? Here. On the fit bed, good. Okay, scoot on up a few inches for me. How's your neck been?
Pretty good.
Tip that left ear over just a little bit more. Good movement. One more. Nice. Get a big breath in. I'm going to follow you down here. And induce extension. There you go. Okay, again. Big breath. And out. I'm going to take even one more. So big breath in. And out. Okay. Okay, big breath. And out. Good one. One there. Okay, big breath. And out. I'm going to follow you down. Good job.
And then one visit, you're already feeling better than that, and it didn't cost you even close to what that was. That should have felt better on your hips, though. Not. Alrighty. Good.
Ooh.
Yes, ma'am. Boy, they heard that one out over at the Hyatt.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, just breathe. That girl. Okay. Perfect. Tell me if this tightens up at all. Great. There we go. There we are. Super. Okay, now let's just sit you up and face that way,
A
please.
little bit higher. You can cope with that?
Yeah.
Great. Alright. I'm just going to stretch you out a little bit. It's going to bring your whole body over to keep your spine straight. And I'm just going to push this in.
You ready? Deep breath for me. All the way out, girl. Good. Blow it all out. Good. Keep going. There it is. One more. Ooh. Perfect. Let's have this. That didn't hurt, right? You okay? Okay, good. This side up for me. Okay. Again, it should not hurt. We're gonna bend the top leg for you, girl. Good. Bring me that. Give me that hand, and you're gonna go like this. You okay? All right. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good. Relax. 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 There it is. Whew. That didn't hurt, right? So that was. It's like whoa. I want to bring this side down. Forward. Beautiful. And your hands are gonna go like that. Deep breath for me. All the way out, girl. You're awesome. Relax, relax. Good. There it is. Whew. That sounds loud, right?
Yeah.
But it Alright, here we go. It's gonna be the same thing. It's gonna feel like. Alright, relax as much as you can, girl. Beautiful. You okay?
Yeah.
She's like, ooh, dude. Alright, one more time. Perfect. Yeah, relax a little bit. Oh, very good.
Much better yesterday.
Good. Same thing here. Good. Okay. Being a little stubborn, so we'll go ahead and try to get that a different way. But let's go ahead and get this mid-thoracic spine breath. Let it out. Good. One more. And out. Good. Good. Bell's problem is specifically down here in the pelvis, right at that SI joint. So I'll go ahead and look up at the ceiling, take a deep breath. Good. Okay, other side. And on this side, it's her lower lumbar, so L4, L5 right in there. So deep breath. Good. Good. And then same thing here. Just relax that. Good.
Good, nice. That's the side. Holy sh! Wow!
Сделаем, выполним мягкие мануальные техники. Выполняем сейчас глубокий вдох и выдох. Вот. Так. Еще разок. Хорошо. Ничего.
L3. There's L2. Now we're going to go all the way up into the lower thoracics here. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Now just relax. Hands on your tummy. Let me have your leg. There you go. Now you should have felt that knee all the way up to your back.
Yes, I did.
Okay, same thing here. Let this relax for me. There you go. Feel that one all the way up too?
And my ankle that time.
Yep, let's go. Let your head relax. There you go. Now, keep your teeth together and just breathe through your nose. Mm-hmm. And just like that.
God.
Yep. Home run. Keep breathing.
Oh.
Breathe deep through your nose and out through your mouth. You're still kicking. You're good. Keep breathing though. I know that's sore. Pinching off that nerve though. Let your head go in my hand here now. There you go. Let me have you. There you go. I still got one here. I want you to tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. That's better.
All this tension in your neck right here.
Oh, that's tension?
Yeah, right there. Is that tension? That means
I thought that was buffness.
What'd you call it?
Buffness? You
Buffness?
Know the next is good in buff.
Yeah, that's funny. Buffness.
Oh, God. Wow. I wasn't expecting that.
Yeah.
Oh.
Good. Nice. What's that like?
Yeah, that feels good.
Feels good, actually, huh?
Yeah.
And just to relax the best you can. Relax the best you can.
Respire por la nariz, saque el aire por la
I know. Okay, just let it go. There you go. Okay, we're gonna give him his adjustment. We're gonna try to work through it, okay?
Relájese, ahorita le van a arreglar.
Okay. Bueno. Did good. Mucho bueno. Uno más. Star, okay? Slow. Ever been to a chiropractor?
No.
Nope, never? Okay, relate. Ooh. That side's really bad. Very difficult to adjust that side. Okay.